The Karcher SC3 Steam Cleaner is part of the range of products developed by the world's leading provider of cleaning technology. The SC3 is Karcher's fastest heating steam cleaner and is ready to use in just 40 seconds. And with all the accessories you need, this steam cleaner can be used to clean most surfaces. Using nothing but tap water, the SC3 deep cleans all around your home, killing up to 99.9% of bacteria. The extension tubes, Easy Fix floor tool, and microfiber cloth ensure deep cleaning on most types of hard flooring, including stone, laminate, and vinyl. With a simple switch to the hand tool, you can continue easily cleaning all those surfaces that usually require a deep scrub, from tiles, work surfaces, stovetops, and doors, to glass and shower areas. The SC3 is perfect for them all. The detail nozzle and brush let you complete the job by getting to all those difficult, hard-to-clean places where grime and limescale build up. What's more, the SC3 can be continually refilled, so when the water level drops, you can easily fill it and continue cleaning without delay. Once finished, the microfiber cloths can simply be removed and placed in the washing machine. The SC3 can then be stored away with ease.
Introducing a pet-friendly and multifunctional light and easy steam mop. It provides 3 steam levels for different floor surfaces, including tiles, laminate, hardwood floors, and more. Fill the tank with water, power it up, and it'll be ready in less than 30 seconds, releasing 248 Fahrenheit of superheated steam, killing germs and tackling tough, sticky messes. With a 180-degree pivoting head and an extra long 20-foot power cord. The steam mop is lightweight and easy to carry. That's not all. It's also a detachable steam generator to use as a handheld steamer with additional cleaning accessories. The pinpoint nozzle helps clean dirty areas around corners and tight spaces. The flat surface scrubber should be used to clean surfaces such as countertops, mirrors.
Make your home spotless from top to bottom with the Ivation Steam Cleaner. This all-in-one cleaner is a convenient, innovative device that comes with several accessories to complete tons of cleaning tasks in any room. Remove the grime from your oven and stove in the kitchen. Wash away the dirt on your furniture and rug in your living room, or steam your clothes in your bedroom without issue. The powerful heating technology boils water quickly and efficiently, so you can start steaming in no time. Simply pour in water, turn on the power, and wait for the color-changing power button to tell you when the unit is ready to steam. Eliminate germs in your home without the need of chemicals. With this versatile cleaning machine, having multiple cleaning supplies is no longer necessary. Clean tables and counters by using this device as a handheld cleaner, or steam your marble or wooden floors instantly by converting the device into a floor cleaner. With the easily detachable accessories, you can change between the 2 cleaning methods in seconds. Whether your cleaner is in your hand or on the floor, no dirt, muck, or dust is out of reach. The long power cord and hose allows you to move and reach any surface without having to stop your steaming. Pull your cleaner around with the durable wheels, or carry the device around with you using the strap. This sleek, modern steamer comes with everything you need to keep your household fresh and sparkling. Rest easy knowing you can clean safely and effectively with this ETL-certified unit. Effortlessly steam your home in one clean sweep with the Ivation Steam Cleaner.
Living with pets is fun and exciting, but cleaning up after them is also part of the package. The new Symphony Pet from Bissell vacuums and steams at the same time, so you can get back to playing with your pets. With improved powerful suction, cleaning up after pet hair and other messes is a breeze. Even though you're cleaning with steam, Symphony Pet keeps the moisture separate from debris. For those little pet accidents you would rather throw away, you can switch to Swiffer Steam Boost disposable wet pads. So the mess is out of sight and out of mind. With the exclusive Drop It technology, remove pet hair and debris without getting your hands dirty. Vacuum and steam pet messes away with the Symphony Pet from Bissell.
With years of consumer feedback, Vapamore has created the second generation MR100 Primo, featuring all new improved tools and accessories. These include a new style of steam gun and hose, new stronger non-flex extension poles, water level dipstick, and a new larger floor head assembly with removable triangle scrub brush and carpet slider attachment. For our existing MR100 Primo customers, we have made all these upgrades available in a complete upgrade pack. Visit your Vapamore dealer or go to vapamore.com for full details.